back to my mom's channel. This video is another edition of Mother versus Daughter Sephora Play Edition. So, in this month's Sephora Play, we got a 20% off coupon and I got really excited about it. Turns out it's only for foundation, tinted moisturizer, BB cream, CC cream, or yeah, not even concealer, which I don't use any of those things, so I'm not here for it. So the first item we both got is this Night Body Serum Firm and Smooth Concentrate by Moroccan Oil Body. A luxurious overnight serum to firm and smooth the skin. It's a body serum. It's a high concentrated formula. It looks super oily because the bubble is moving really slowly, which means it's pretty thick in there.
I'm excited to try this though, because I like Moroccan oil for my hair, but this is for the body, and I think it smells so good.
This?
I did.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, I think they looked at our profile.
Oh wow, that's kind of cool little sample.
I know. I was a little salty at first, but they actually, I think they did go by our profile because I got 3.25.
I got 210 because I'm pale.
This is the Bounce Beauty Blender foundation. And the sample's pretty cool. Like, I think you can take that cap off, but I don't know if you get to do that constantly. I know. But there, it feels pretty squishy, like a decent amount of product in there. That's what I was thinking. Just try with your beauty blender, but I'm just like, I won't have no beauty blender, honey. I will. Okay, you got this Makeup Forever. Oh my gosh. Okay, next up is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. It's this 24-hour foundation. I have the shade Y2. Oh my god. Okay, so they actually must have listened. I have Y315. Oh yeah, this actually would match me. So I guess, I mean, it might be a little dark because I feel like this will be light on me. I don't know. Why do ours look the same? I know, that's what I was thinking. Oh, I don't know. Oh, maybe. I guess that's why they gave us a 20% off on a foundation. Which, oh! Are you joking? What? The next item, Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. I love this, so I'm excited to have a mini little baby of it. Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. Different shade? Light neutral. I got light medium sand. I have to say, they have done pretty well following our color. Yeah. Look at me and my work. Oh, look how cutie this is. I know, right? It's like a little baby dropper. That's probably going to be too dark for me. Look at that. Really? Last item, Smashbox Primer. I knew it. Our last item is the Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer, which I really like this primer, so I'm totally okay with that. I'm going to retry it because I didn't like it when I had extremely oily skin. I think because it had dimethicone in it and it broke you out. Oh. No. I don't know for sure, but I do forgot about that. It broke you out really bad. So what are your thoughts? I don't really like foundation. True. So yeah, this would definitely not be for someone who doesn't enjoy foundation. Yeah, like the Moroccan oils body stuff. I don't really like oily stuff on my skin, but I mean, I guess I'll try it, but like, where am I gonna firm and smooth? Like my thighs? Like my thighs are big. That's not enough to cover my thighs. And it says that you're supposed to use it for like 8 days. Like that's not 8 days worth. Yeah, so I'll go through that one vial in my first go. Like I can get one thigh with this one vial. This highly concentrated formula helps strengthen and protect skin against environmental stress with antioxidant rich blend of argan and tsubaki oils. I don't know. Intensely nourishes after 1 week of use. 8 out of 10 women notice firmer and smoother skin. How am I supposed to use a whole week of this one little vial? I don't know, because like even with my lotions, I overuse and slather. Yeah, because you're a slug apparently. Like no, it sinks in eventually. Eventually, but then you have to sit there and wait for it to be on. Yeah, I don't mind. I just relax. I hate lotion. I think that this bag was not bad. I don't mind foundations, and I am excited to see that they actually did attempt to match our shades. Exactly. I really, really like that because I feel like Ipsy hasn't been doing the best at paying attention, to what the profile says. So honestly, I'm happy with this bag for 10 bucks. I don't think it was a bad deal. I mean, some of this stuff will end up going into a giveaway or over to you, but
What will come over to me?
Well, I'm gonna open this and try the Smashbox. So if it issues, then you get it.
It's all too dark for me. And I know you're gonna keep the setting spray.
Okay, guys. So overall, I mean, I'm pretty happy with it.
I'm kind of like I just don't really like the foundations. I mean, if I did like foundation, I think it would be cool that we did get the 20% off coupon, which is nice. I mean, I'll give them all a try.
So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you guys, and leave us your favorite emoji down below. Okay, guys, so that's all for today's video. Let us know if you guys received your Sephora Play. What did you get in yours?
Probably the same foundation.
Well, that's what I was gonna ask. Like, did you get the exact same foundation? Did they do good at matching per your profiles? You know, all of that stuff. So anyways, guys, don't forget to follow me down on Instagram and Twitter. Check my description boxes down below. Don't forget to check out Hailey's channel and the 31 days of
Halloween makeup extravaganza.
Okay, until next time, friends, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye. Bye.